Hey, I'm Stephan Spencer, and I just got this in the mail. I'm a member of Tribe, which is a membership site about membership sites. I have a membership site, and it's about SEO, of course, and I want to make my membership site better and bigger and grow my community, so I joined Tribe, and one of the cool things they do is they send you a box when you join. So I'm about to unbox this box. Let's do it. Very cool. Nicely done here with the little cool Tribe pen and the Tribe pin. The cool logo on there. Sticker. Welcome letter. That's Stu McLaren, who I met at Traffic and Conversion Summit. And then, do not open until instructed. Another do not open until instructed. All the way to 7. There's 7 of these mystery envelopes. So I'm not going to open these yet, and we'll see when I'm supposed to open them. I have a feeling that it's timed with each module because there's 7 modules. 7 weeks. So I'll probably be opening this up pretty soon. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think I was given the go-ahead to open this now that I think about it. So let's do that. Yes, I was. There should be a game card in here if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a look. Yes, there is. Check this out. That's a game card, which they also provided the PDF because they launched a couple of days ago and not everybody got their box yet, me included. So I got to see this in PDF format. And yeah, it just maps my journey and my customer's journey, my members' journey, how they see their challenges. Actually, no, this is about my challenges in growing my membership site. So that's a cool exercise, which I have not done yet. And a little postcard here. This marks the next chapter of my story. Today's date is, cool. So it's a fun little thing here to give me, oh, one more thing. You are invited to Tribe Live. Look at that. You're going to Tribe Live, baby, which is in June in Toronto. So, very cool. I like this is just a nice little touch. It really does add some flavor to their membership program. So, I might just do this myself. All right, we'll see you later.